Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canzaro here. Today we're going to be making capellini con salsa di pesto, which is angel hair with pesto sauce. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. The ingredients that we need for my pesto. I'm going to begin to make my pesto. The pesto is complete. You could add a little extra oil if you like. I put my pine nuts in it. Right? As you can see, the pasta is nice and moist. I added some of the pasta water. You could put more pesto if you like. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.